Starting to see some redevelopment out to the west. So we're still going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms around here for today with that lower end severe weather threat that will continue. So here's what it looks like with our timecast as we head toward midday. Maybe a little bit of a waning activity with the showers and storms. They start to taper off a little bit, but not going away entirely. As you see, we'll still have some scattered storms around, but not everyone seeing the rain and thunderstorms here for today. Coming home a little bit later this afternoon, around 4 p.m. or so, still going to be looking at some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Things settle down a little bit as we get into this evening, probably into the early overnight hours. But again, as we get into the weekend, we will have at least that chance for some thunderstorms once again. So here's that severe weather risk for today. We do have that slight risk over a large part of North Texas. And then as we head down south of I-20, getting down into central Texas, our southeastern counties, we do have that slight risk for some severe storms. Now, damaging winds and large hail going to be the main concern. A very low tornado threat in that slight risk area. That's going to be down toward the Waco areas, again, getting down into central Texas, I think, as we go through the day. That, along with that flood threat, still going to be with us, too, as we get into this evening. Now, for the weekend, still going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Not an all-day rain and thunderstorm event, but we will have some scattered showers and storms, maybe a few in the morning. Could see a few more as we get into the evening there on Saturday, and then maybe some late night, early morning activity moving in from the west on early Sunday morning. But as far as any severe weather is concerned on Saturday, still low wind, marginal risk for some damaging winds and some hail out there. But again, a lot of us, most of us, in fact, probably not going to see any storms on Saturday. But those of us who do will have that potential for some stronger storms. Now, as we get into Saturday night and Sunday, could see some storms working their way in early on Sunday. Those will weaken, I think, over our far northwestern counties. But then very late in the day, heading into Sunday evening and maybe even early on Monday, you see around 10 p.m., we may see a few more thunderstorms approaching from the west as we get late in the day on Sunday, heading into Sunday evening. So that lower end marginal risk for our far areas, probably west of North Texas, then out of the Panhandle for Sunday. So we'll be keeping an eye on those. Just keep checking back as we make updates to the forecast. Speaking of, here is the weekend outlook for you. Up around 81 today. We'll put the coverage with the showers and storms at about 40%. And then as we get into the weekend, we're going to be up around 86 to 87. So it does warm up a little bit, and about a 30% coverage with those showers and storms. Now, as we head into the next 14 days, we finally begin to dry out. We may get a pattern shift as we head into the latter half of next week. We'll hold on to some low-end storm chances through at least Wednesday, only about a 20% chance. And I think that's going to be mainly during the afternoon and early evening. But by Thursday, going into Friday for next weekend, we'll start to see those temperatures getting back into the lower 90s. Some slight chances for some storms back in the picture, maybe on Sunday. But at least we will have a few days maybe for some dry weather going into next weekend.